In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to link a bank account to a credit card. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to make sure that your credit card is properly linked to any bank account in your name. When you apply for a credit card, it should automatically get linked to your name. So for example, in this video, I'm going to be covering the Bank of America, but keep in mind that all the instructions that I'm going to give you will work regardless of the bank. I'm only using the Bank of America as an example. Like I was saying, if you apply for a credit card on any bank and you are granted access to it, it is going to get immediately attached to your bank account. You will find it under your cards when you use their mobile app or the website under the online banking functionalities. It should automatically appear and you can manage the card, freeze the card, see the balance, transfer it, etc. Everything should be available by default as long as you apply for a credit card. If you are having issues and for some reason the credit card is not appearing in your bank account, you will not be able to manually link the bank account to the credit card. In order to ensure that the credit card is linked to you, the best course of action is to talk to the customer support of the bank. So for example, if you are using the Bank of America, you apply for a credit card and you were granted access to a credit card telling you that you are eligible, but it doesn't appear on your bank account, what you have to do is talk to their customer support. Usually every bank will have the contact us option when you go over to their websites, and as long as you go into the contact us section, select credit card, you can call them at any number or go to a specific branch and talk to them regarding the issues that you are facing. Like I said previously, since this is a process that you can do manually, you have to go to the nearest branch or call them so they can resolve your issue. Describe the issue that you are having and that you cannot seem to access the credit card, attribute it to your account, and they will be able to verify your identity and grant you access to whatever credit card you applied for. I hope I was able to help you on how to link a bank account to a credit card. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.